for only 700 pesos or roughly $12. Ito daw yung best budget CPU cooler na pwede nyong mabili. Talaga ba? Tara! Alright, so this is the Jansbo CR1400 CPU cooler. Nabili lang natin to guys sa Lazada for only 525 pesos. O diba, below 600 pesos pa. Siyempre, nagimitan natin ng vouchers. Inside the box is the Jansbo CR1400 cooler itself. Next is the backplate for Intel. And the Intel brackets. May kasama ding thermal paste and screws. The AMD brackets for AM4 and AM5. And lastly, the manual na may kasamang instruction for Intel and AMD mounting. The Jansbo CR1400 is compatible with both AMD and Intel sockets. For the Intel, supported niya is LGA 115X sockets, 1200 and 1700. Sa AMD naman, the AM4 and AM5 sockets. Comes with 4 heat pipes, 92mm fan, 4-pin PWM, and 3-pin 5V ARGB. Tara, kabit natin and compare natin sa performance ng stock AMD Rate Stealth. Ang gagamitin nating unit for comparison is yung unit na binuild natin last video, running Ryzen 5 5600G. So sa presyong 700 pesos, I think this is one of the best budget CPU coolers that you can get right now. May RGB, tahimik, better heat dissipation, and of course, napaka-budget friendly. So sa mga naghahanap dyan ng mura pero panalong CPU cooler, pwede nyo ito i-try. Ayan, so I hope nakatulong po ulit itong video natin sa mga nagbabalak pa lang dyan bumili at mag-build ng kanilang budget rig. And as always, salamat po sa mga nanood at sa mga magsusubscribe. This is Jem of Bang Gizmos. Till the next one, ingat po!